Magandang, please. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Mga batang Maynila, excited na ba kayo? Una, siyempre, pinagpapauna ko, no? Napakalaking bagay na kakaunti lang ang superstar sa mundo. And the world is so big. But today, we are honored and grateful to the team who brought Kyle in our neighborhood. Kaya, mga batang Maynila, pwede ba sabay-sabay tayong maingay na palakpakan para kay Kyle? Thank you, Kyle. You just made a lot of people happy today and inspired a lot of kids to continue and pursue their dreams and aspirations, particularly in sports. So, sa inyo naman, mga kabataan, ay ikapuri natin ang ating barangay dahil alam nyo, 896 barangays sa buong Maynila. Pero napaka-special lagi ng barangay nyo. Ayan, naniniwala ko, dala ng liderato ng inyong barangay. This will not happen with cooperation of each and every one of them. Ang ating punong barangay at mga kagawad at barangay official. Ngayon naman, ayokong pakabahan kasi ang gusto kong star ngayon, si Kyle. Pero may request si chairman eh. Gusto nyo ba talagang pinturahan to? Wait. Gusto nyo ba talaga? Chairman, gusto ba ng tao na pinturahan? Ha? Sige. May awa ang Diyos. Bigyan nyo lang ako ng konting panahon, pero commitment ko na sa inyo. Pipinturahan natin yung buong building. Antabayanan nyo lang at i-update namin kayo agad. And today also, we would like to give credit where it's due sa ating pintor, ang tenement at ang Davies. Palakpakan din natin yung Davies. No? So sa inyo, dito sa tenement, tumatakbo na ba yung tubig? Okay naman ba? Wala na problema? Pintura na lang? Sige. Basta babalik ako rito, ayusin natin. Mga bata, anong ginagawa pag 10 o'clock? Anong 2 joints? Ano gagawin pag 10 o'clock? Tutulog na, ha? Huwag niyong pasasakitin ang loob ng nanay ninyo. Huwag matigas ang ulo. Pag sinabi ng lola at lolo, alas 10 na, may curfew. Uwian na. Promise? Sige, maraming salamat. Again, palakpakan natin si Kyle. Ang ating Vice Mayor, Chia Chesa, ang ating Sports Department, at lahat ng team na nandito. Isang mainit na palakpakan para sa kanila. Maraming salamat. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng Poong May Kapal. Manila! God first. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mayor Isko, for your words that truly encourage our community, especially our young athletes. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin, Yorme Isko Domagoso. And now, everyone, are you ready? Dati, pinapanood lang natin siya sa NBA, di ba? Ngayon, he's right here in front of us in Punta Santa Ana, Manila. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let us hear from the man of the hour, an NBA star who has inspired many young Filipinos with his passion and dedication to the game of basketball, a champion on and off the court. Let's give a warm Manila welcome, Mr. Kyle Kuzma!
Magandang umaga! Wow, this is amazing. Thank you guys all for being here. This is truly an incredible moment. As I look here and stand in awe of all your guys' support, this is my second time in the Philippines, in Manila. And my first time here, I really felt the love. I thought it was amazing, you know, how much you guys care about basketball and care about me as well. I had to come back again. And when they came up with this opportunity to be in front of you guys and have this insane court, I couldn't turn down the offer to be here with you guys. So I don't even know what else to say because it's truly special. And a great moment that I'll never ever forget. So thank you guys so much for me to be here, come into your guys' culture and country and make me feel right at home. So thank you guys so much. Yes. Okay.
Thank you, Kyle Kuzma, for gracing us with your presence and inspiring the youth of Manila. All right, and now for the exchange of gifts. As a sign of love and appreciation, we'd like to present a special gift to Mr. Kyle Kuzma. This is a small token from the community that will remind him of Manila and the people of Barangay 901.
Grabe.
Yes, and aside from that, the true gift Manileños would like to give to you is the love and cheer of Filipino fans. All right, let's give them a warm round of applause.
It's 901.